see, we finished installing drywall arch. It's the first arch, it's the second arch. I didn't touch this arch because I want to show you what I did here. I will show you step by step. And we didn't install the S-shaped stud here because when we will install this drywall, it will block the way to install this drywall. That's why we leave this S-shaped stud. We will install this later. Let's get this slice of it, and this is a 150 millimeter slice, which is a 105 millimeters. Let's do it. It would be 225 millimeters. Let's mark it from the other side of the drywall. The same we do here. 225 millimeters. Okay. But now I always use aluminum profiles to cut it properly, but sometimes it might be invisible to see this mark, and we use a black pen to mark it like this to make them more visible. Okay, like this, and put the aluminum profile on a mark properly. Okay, and push it very hard and drag some way like this. And let's cut the second one. Okay. Okay, and we only cut the one side, just slowly. And now just cut and it's easy to turn the drywall around, just like this, and cut it from this side, just removing only paper. We cut these procedures, and I always use a hand drywall plane to straighten the edges. And we take a hand plane to straighten the edges, but don't push it so hard. Just slowly with the wire movement you can straighten the edges. Okay. And and from the wall we should measure to this line. It's about 1,400 millimeters from the floor, but we will 1,390 millimeters, mark it here. And as you remember, our S-shaped stud slats was 80 millimeters. The same things we're gonna do here. We mark every 8 millimeters as we did before for the creating S-shaped stud. It's the same, but we don't use render here. We will remove the one side every 8 millimeters like this and like this, and one more here. Okay, and take a 90-degree angle, put it here, and slowly, don't forget to cut them from the outside, and like this we cut them. When you reach the edge, it's to the end, it's difficult to handle it, turn around the angle to put like this. Okay. And like that, we finished it. And I'm going to show you what I use for the installing. And I use drywall screw sets. You see that to control the top of the screws, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, we put the first
we screw it like this, and it's enough to leave 150 millimeters between the drywall screws. But when we reach to this line, I mean to the arc, we should screw every piece and that's why we didn't install the S-shaped stud here, because it's blocking way to screw this drywall properly. And after installing this drywall, we're gonna install the second stage. These are some screws. And now we took another one. we mark 45 millimeters here, and the same thing we're gonna do here, 45 millimeters. Okay, let's check it. Okay, good. And we're gonna do, we should adjust our laser level to these two lines, and we're gonna cut the U-shape stud to create a shape stud for the edges. Let me do that. As you remember, we removed backside of the U-shaped stud and one side, but now we don't, it's not for the wall, it's for the edges. We will remove two sides of the U-shaped stud, but I used to cut it a lot. If you cannot cut it properly, you can mark it, but I will cut it without any mark. Just and we put the S-shape stud here in order to put it to the line here, and from the back side we you see that the screwdriver doesn't fit this gap. We just remove this, put this like this,